Welcome to Life Beyond Certificate channel. In this video, I will tell you top secret class to earn high income. But before I continue, I encourage you to like and subscribe to this channel, so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Earning money from digital secret class. More quickly than any other innovation in our history as humans, digital technologies have transformed civilizations and reached over 50% of the population in developing countries in just 2 decades. Technology may be a huge equalizer by improving connection, financial inclusion, access to commerce, and public services. Then, there is a need for the teeming population to accept this trend positively by active engagement. If you have a great need for this engagement, this video will give you a great insight into belonging to a digital secret class to improve your livelihood. Meaning of digital secret class. A digital secret class is more than just a designated class of information that is stored in a particular type of digital format for confidential findings. Digital secret class is a course that teaches people the basics of making money online. This includes things like how to design an email list, putting together a sales funnel, and generating traffic. Students will learn about all the different ways that they can earn income with their skills, no matter what industry they come from. Engaging in digital secret class can be a very exclusive one, as individuals can launch their own home-based internet marketing business. The digital secret class provides step-by-step training to guide people through the process of starting and running their own successful online business from home. Earning online from digital secret classes. Many people may not believe in the phrase "you can make money online" and quote. However, digital secret class is a place where they get to understand what it means. The way we live, work, and conduct business has been dramatically revolutionized by technology. We are now more productive in our daily activities, have the freedom to work from home, and have access to opportunities that were never previously available. As a major employment, supplementary income, or side hustle, we may now leverage on changing technologies, market trends, and consumer behaviors to increase our revenue. Effective participation in digital secret classes can be a booster to these tech-driven opportunities, as earning online from the various channels cannot be left out. Some of these opportunities includes: create a digital product, affiliate marketing, freelancing, starting a blog, YouTubing, and more. Life Beyond Certificate, LBC, as a top digital secret class agency. In a society where everyone is watching their screens, it's easy to get drawn in and forget the things that matter. Digital secrets help you stay present and in control of your digital life. LBC can be that hot spot for you. LBC is a volunteer group in Nigeria driven with the vision to inspire African youths to see life beyond their certificate qualifications but focus on self-development, skills acquisition through technology, and launch themselves to stardom. LBC facilitates on skills like artificial intelligence, multimedia production, digital marketing, mobile app design, website development, blogging/copywriting. LBC also opens a new engagement ground on their DigiSkills Peers Club for the teeming peers aspiring for a better life in the tech world. Importance of digital secret class. We live in a digital world where everything is online. As a result, people are constantly looking for information about others. In an age of social media and rising privacy concerns, it has become crucial to have a digital secret class. Some of the benefits of belonging to a digital secret class include: skills acquisition. Belonging to a digital secret class will provide you the leverage of acquiring tech skills that may have been costly to afford, and points these skills out to enable one to have a part of the tech income. Earning sustainable income. Digital secret class is an influential platform where one can find all kinds of methods of earning money and other secrets of making and saving money in today's world. They provide many advantages and benefits for their members, which is why so many people have become a part of this community. Freelance working. The main advantage that comes from being a part of digital secret class is the ability to earn money from home via the internet. This option has become very popular because it provides flexibility to the users and additional time for those who have family obligations, etc. Members are also able to find other ways to earn extra income through this site that would not be possible otherwise. New discoveries. The digital secret class is a group of people who are in on the secret that technology isn't going to stop, and that in order to survive, we need to use it, not fight it. This group of people are the ones who have found success by using new technologies. They are constantly learning about new ways technology might be able to help their business thrive, and they know how to keep up with what's happening. Conclusion. In a society where everyone is watching their screens, it's easy to get drawn in and forget the things that matter. Digital secrets help you stay present and in control of your digital life. The amount of information we can access digitally is astounding, but this very same advantage can also be a disadvantage. With so much to see, read, and do online, we've all felt the pull on our attention at one point or another. I hope that this video has provided you with the necessary guide on digital secret classes and its benefits. Alright, that is the end of our package today. Please do subscribe to this channel, so that you will be the first to be notified in our next educational video, and also we will like you to watch our next video coming up next.